I saw one of your posts and thought, oh, that sounds intriguing. I want to learn more about what passive real estate investing looks like and what it could mean. My name's Shannon and I live here in San Francisco with my husband and our 18-month-old daughter. After our daughter was born, my husband and I were sort of at that point where, the traditional narrative, okay, you got married, had a baby, time to buy a house. Buying a house in San Francisco is a daunting prospect. It would take pretty much all of our life savings for the down payment, and then we'd be tied to a mortgage that would require us to have two incomes for at least the next 30 years. The goal we started out with was to be able to replace one of our incomes, because after our daughter was born, we both like our jobs, but our family is really the most important thing. My husband and I both have pretty analytical minds and backgrounds. He's an engineer and I'm an economist, so we like numbers and data and research, so we did a lot of research. The Goodegg's resources on the blog and the partners that you work with, I think their track record speaks for themselves. It's not a fly-by-night operation. These are really well-respected businesses that know what they're doing, they know the markets, and that gave us a lot of confidence. And I think just your availability, answering questions, all the information that you were able to share really allowed us to do the research to the point where we felt comfortable and excited to start doing it ourselves. We're really excited. I think, like I said, initially our goal was replace one income, but now we're even thinking, I feel like it's opened up a whole world of possibilities. We're thinking, well, maybe one of us quits our job, maybe we both go part-time. And even things like my husband and I met doing volunteer work, and now with 2 full-time jobs and a baby, we just don't have time for that anymore. I think things like that just seem more within reach now in terms of time and finances, and so we're excited about those possibilities.